Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting this YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content. Try to like and refer this channel to your network so that YouTube will push us to a very high level of audience. Okay, right now this topic is very crucial, which is supremacy of cycle completion and forex synthetic markets. Okay, you see, most people don't allow cycles to complete, and this creates a lot of losses. Let me explain this theoretically, then we go to practical. Right now, let's assume the market actually follow this trajectory. Okay, now at this junction, a lot of traders we just uh, let's assume that there was a previous uptrend. And here is a key level. Okay. Now, when this market come here, meet this key level, then we expect the market to keep pushing up. But the mistake a lot of traders is they fail to allow the cycle to complete. Okay. So if market is making lower lows and lower highs, then you have to allow it to complete. So this low was taken out. So the market have to pull back, react, and drop. So that is completion of cycle. If it drop, whatever that happened to this session will determine if we will get an upward action or a continuation of downward action. Okay. So I'm going to practical to be able to explain these things right now. Okay, right now let's check this market volatility 31S. Let's check how the market is going. Okay, let's check the daily time frame. Now, when you look at the daily time frame, we have this here. Okay, so now this market is uptrend in the daily, but when the market approach the trend line, it just break it and traded below it. So let's check the cycle completion issue. You see, this is a high. Every high we create a low, right? So think about that. So this is a low created by this high. Then every low we create a high. So we have this high and then this low. So when market break this low, let's assume that there is probability to get a buy here, but you have to wait for cycle to complete. So when market break this low, it have to pull back. After pulling back, then we have to need a retest. Yes, like after continuation. That continuation action must happen whether you like it or not. So what some people do is that they forget. Some traders do is that they forget to allow the actions to complete. So right now this is a retracement, so we cannot buy in this time. We can't buy. The market is still incomplete. The market is incomplete in selling and not ready to buy, right? So it will retrace and then create a continuation to the downside. Whether that continuation took out this low or not, all we know that it must happen. And then when it happen, and if it were to take out this low and then start going up again, they will buy. That is, the market have structurally changed direction. I'll be ending this video. Make sure you are about it. Make sure you enroll for our courses. Subscribe to our VIP signal channels. We are about to launch a copy trade on the RIP market. Make sure you actually take advantage of that when we launch it. Okay. Leverage the effort of successful trader. Leverage is the key way to become successful in life, because most time you try to do it yourself and it's not working. Leverage, learn, then later you build on what you have learned and the profit we have made from our of the leverages. Okay, thank you and bye for now.